Understanding, Set for Life, a guide to English idioms. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into the world of idioms, specifically the phrase, set for life. This idiom is commonly used in English-speaking countries, and understanding it can really enhance your language skills. Let's explore what it means and how to use it in everyday conversation. Set for life is an idiom that means having enough resources, usually money, to last for the rest of one's life without the need to work. It implies a level of financial security and comfort. The term is often used when someone has acquired enough wealth, either through work, inheritance, or luck, such as winning a lottery, that they are financially stable for the foreseeable future. To better understand this idiom, let's look at some examples. 1. After winning the lottery, Emily was set for life and didn't need to work anymore. 2. They inherited a fortune from their grandparents and are now set for life. Notice how the phrase is used to describe a state of financial independence. It's important to note that set for life strictly refers to financial security and should not be confused with having a perfect life in every aspect. It doesn't imply happiness, health, or other forms of success. This idiom can be used in various contexts, from casual conversations to more formal settings. For instance, in a casual chat, if I ever win the jackpot, I'll be set for life. In a business context, their latest investment has set them for life. Thank you for joining us in this exploration of the idiom, set for life. Remember, idioms are a fun and integral part of mastering the English language. They add color and depth to your conversations. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be set for life in your English language journey. See you in our next video.